I've already made one video about how cop cars are nasty. That was referring specifically to the inside. But cop cars also tend to have some abuse from being police cars. So you can see across the back here, all of the badging, all of the stickers, they've all been taken off. But there's all sorts of sticker residue. So that's one of the things that we're gonna have to work on this car. It's got stripes, lettering, just all sorts of stuff going on with it. So all of that's gonna have to come off and be cleaned up, because by the time I'm done with it, this car is gonna look totally different. So the easiest way to take most of this stuff off, I started just a little patch right here. You can see where there's still the sticky stuff. Just a rubber wheel. I'm gonna show you how that works. All right, so these rubber wheels right here can be bought pretty much anywhere. I just got this off Amazon. It's pretty affordable, and it's amazing how simple they make taking all this stuff off. I mean, you'd probably be sitting there using WD-40, cleaning solvents, all sorts of stuff, and it would just be an absolute pain. But all it takes is putting one of these wheels on a drill, and it is absolutely amazing how much easier that makes the process. You can see all that lettering, it's gone. So there's lettering all over this car. It's gonna take a while, but it's a really easy process. So just take the wheel, run it across there. They say to watch out for the RPM, so just, if you've never done it before, be careful, but it's pretty easy. And then that's just a rubber wheel, and it all wipes off right there at the end. So long process. Got both sides of the car, the back of the car. There's stuff everywhere, but well, I can't drive it, so might as well make use of the time. So just really a couple minutes of work. Still got a little cleanup to do, but you can see all that lettering right there came off super smooth, as opposed to all that gunky glue that's left over. So it's pretty easy. Showed you the method. Couple little warnings: if you get one that's set up like this, it will screw on and off. So if you start it off the panel, that's fine, but I normally was trying to stop it off the panel, because otherwise the momentum will keep the wheel spinning, and it flew off on me a couple times when I wasn't doing that. So I suggest to leave it sticking on the panel whenever you stop using it. And another warning is, I mean, this is rubber and it's going up against a hard painted surface, so there's a lot of friction there. So this does get warm, so careful if you go and touch this or grab this afterwards, because it gets quite warm and it's rather uncomfortable. So just be careful. But it's really an easy process, easy to do, not too expensive. Anyone can do it, really. Just a drill and a rubber wheel.